Welcome to this tutorial on terminology management in MultiTerm. Hey there. MultiTerm is a flexible terminology management desktop application that can be used to build and manage term bases. Because of its flexibility, MultiTerm and MultiTerm term bases are often used as the foundation for terminology management systems as well. And terminology management systems, there is another meaning for the acronym TMS. Multi-term term bases can be integrated into the Trados Studio computer-assisted translation environment too. And this set of tutorials covers working in multi-term. Throughout the tutorials, I may sometimes use the abbreviation TB to refer to a term base. These are two synonyms to refer to the same concept. I'd also like to note that if you are enrolled in the LOC 501 Terminology for Beginners course, the set of tutorials here on multi-term are based upon this multi-term work instruction in written form that you have included with your course materials on terminology management within different applications and programs. So if you prefer to work through written instructions, you can just head over to your course contents and get the work instructions upon which this entire set of tutorials is based from there. So within this specific tutorial, we're going to cover navigating multi-term. And let's go ahead and dive right in. So you're looking here at the multi-term application, and there are three main navigational areas that I would like you to be aware of when you are working in multi-term. You've got this top ribbon where you can do things like open term bases. Once you have a term base open, there's this column in the left that displays either all of the terms contained in a term base, or this column gives you a list of the term bases that you have open. Really, however, the main star of the show is the center display area where we can have a look at the concept entries for concepts contained within our term base, or on the term base management side, we can have a look at some metadata and some performance data related to a term base. For instance, I can take a look at how many terms and how many entries do I have in a term base, what sort of coverage do I have in the languages of my term base, and this can help keep me on track when I am doing overall terminology management.